Hey guys, and welcome back. I don't know whether you can see it, but I'm at 9355. So Road Pilot 6 at 9,355 miles. We're going to go for a spin, find some nice windies, and put a few extra miles onto the tyres. So back soon. Hey guys, well the visor's up, so it's nice and warm. So it's the heat of the day. We're going to go for a spurt, head out towards Wiedenberg, maybe grab a coffee, and then head back. Sam goes in for service next week. She's got the 60,000 service, and she's having a few other bits and pieces fitted as well that are just, well, nice to haves. Once we can get rid of these cars, we can put some speed on the tyres as well, because riding slow is no fun. Wiedenberg, here we come, and that's a very slow Toyota in front. Thank God Sam has huge, massive brakes. Now we're counter steering, so Sam was cranked over at a good angle then. She was probably around 39-40 degree. And counter steering made it all so much easier, so I'm getting a little bit of a workout as well. Now the usual route to Wiedenberg has been closed off for, strangely enough, roadworks. So we're going to take another route that will lead us to some windy windies as well. We're just going to get a bit of a move on because it's good fun. Unless you've got an Audi convertible hurtling towards you on your side of the road. Sorry about the wind noise, but hey. And we're going to swing around the roundabout, and there's the swing. Never be afraid to lean your motorcycle. And never be afraid to make it scream. Now I've got to be careful on this bend, because it does flip me out onto the other side of the road, just like that. So you had to wind in right at the back of that Peugeot. So I was lucky there that we timed it just about right. I checked my tyre pressures before I came out, so it should be okay. So let me just see how they're warming up. Both of them are running perfect. I like that. I'll put the visor down and we'll see how it goes. And then another swing. Had to stand the bike up there because I was actually over too far, because I was going to go straight into the side hedge. And as soon as we can get rid of this VW. As you all know my take on VWs. I can see a car coming towards me in the distance, so I'm going to have to wait for that to go past, and then the VW's history. Like that. Coming into town, we're going to have to slow down. So I'm going to red light that one. Yep, thought so. You do not like the red light. Sorry, that's just me playing the hippie. Thought I would see some cars coming up the hill. Now I've only got an hour, so I'm going to try and fit as much in as I can, which means I'm going to ride a little bit as quick as I can.